Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'll ride this Portola. It's from Ride1up foldable electric bicycle. I just recently compared it to the King Bull, and some people asked me to test it out to the uphill. So I'm gonna take it to uphill to see if this bike can handle hill with throttle only. And I'll do a few tests. I'll ride it and I'll talk to you about the test as well. Today I'm gonna wear the outdoor master sunglasses and the helmet, the one I just got with a light on the back, real comfortable. And the reason I wear it because it's too hot today. It's about 100 degree now outside, 95, but on the sun much hotter actually. So it's good ventilation everywhere, so it's kind of refreshing. And I'm gonna talk to you about the sunglasses right now. I'll show you the difference. So here's the sunglasses. The difference is that you can adjust the nose position right here easily. They're very affordable and they're made polarized, so the vision become really clear, and the helmet, everything much good. They have different colors, so you may like it. So let's go. Pedal assist level 2. I'm gonna be actually pedaling there. Right now I'm gonna ride actually on the sidewalk. It's a Saturday, shouldn't be many people, but actually over here is clean street. But as you can see, the battery actually not fully charged, so it might give you a little bit difference of experience, but I'm gonna pedal mostly, so I will not discharge the battery much. Again, I love the sunglasses. They have like so many choices and all of them super clear. So I take them, usually wear them to the beach even, or do any sport like hiking, beach, just every day, because they're larger. They protect the glass, like your eyes, from any debris, and also give you great sun protection. And I notice my eyes have a little bit more rest when I'm at the beach from the bright sun. That's a great option. Outdoor Masters have been in business for a while now. They're actually sell them worldwide. They sold so many different items for ski, and I love everything what they have. I reviewed many products recently. The helmet is good, comfortable. This one they have like another full face helmet, which I wear outdoor, like when I go for off-road. But this one I'm gonna ride about only 40 miles an hour, and the 40 miles an hour, it's not fast, it's good as a regular bicycle. I love this Ride1up. It's a great bike actually, for everyday use, for city ride, for the beach, trails, like light trails. So it's a great bicycle. I love the quality they make, the way they paint it is very high quality. So Ride1up, they have this foldable bike which is high competition to the electric XP 3.0. They're very similar but a little bit different. Most difference the way the battery sit. This one easy to remove without even folding, so you can easily pick it up, put it on the rack, or fold it and put it in the trunk. They have about the same tire size. Let's see if I can make it. And display show me the peak watt peak, everything, a lot of information. The display is not large, but I like it. It's very clear during the sun, like when it's very sunny, or even at night. So it's easy to use display. It's not largest. So again, if you're looking for foldable bike, affordable, from a good company who have a good reputation, it's probably one of the best you can buy. Again, it's not one of the best of the powerful one. I'm gonna check my phone. All right, let's go. So I just turned off the camera on the phone because I still need the phone to check the speed. I'm gonna do a few tests. So I like this bike. It's come with a trigger shifting, so everything on this bike is like premium. nice handlebars, like grips, very comfortable, thumb throttle, brakes works perfect for this speed. It can go up to 28 miles with good pedaling, so it's a pretty quick bike. But now I'm going only 14 miles an 16 miles an hour, 15 miles an hour now, with level 3, and my speed is 6 on the gear shifting. So nice pedaling. I would not recommend for somebody who is taller than 6.1 probably feet tall, because the seat, well, unless you can buy longer seat post. That's why I did compare to the King Bull bike, and when I did compare, I show that the King Bull can climb this hill easily. One of the bike actually foldable who made it uphill, but I never took this one. It says 750 watt motor, but it's a slim motor, so slim motors usually are not powerful enough. And somebody told me from the comments that this bike actually can climb the hill in his city and better than electric XP. And I never tested XP over here, but if he said so, I'm gonna say okay, now I want to test it out. Maybe he's right. I'm gonna take this bike up to the hill, as I take all the powerful bikes there, and I'll test it out, no problem. I always try to show you apple to apple, or to show you what the bike can do, so it gave you a better idea what to buy, what you want to buy. So this bike is great for RV, beach, anyway. So the school right now, like back to school. And what is amazing right now, I noticed they send me email, they have a new color. One of the best, I think it's a really amazing color they come up. It's like beige with a nice accent with the tires, so it looks really good. So, but it's on pre-order, and I will have the link in description. So if you need to buy this bike or any other bike, check the link in descriptions. I will have discounts usually, and when you use this link, it will cost you nothing other than you buy the bicycle, but you will support my channel, you support me basically directly in few ways. Some people never tell you, but I will make small commission on any sales, like not on all sales, but if you buy anything from the link in description, if it's affiliate link. But at the same time, company, they know that I'm not cheating them by stealing the bicycle like some review do, and some inexperienced reviewers, what they do is they basically buy fake subscribers just to steal bicycle and resell it to gain some profit. I have over 40 bicycles in garage because I didn't sell most of them for a while. Now I'm starting to sell because I just running out of space. I never did this reviewing for gain or stealing the bicycle like from the company. I do it always for show you guys the difference. Red light. So that's why I'm making all this video, to help you guys to decide which one will be best. All my subscribers accounts are natural organic. It's not, none of them was bought. That's why my accounts are smaller than some other website, like YouTubers, which has over 100,000 subscribers, fake usually. And that's why when you're buying bicycle from them, from the link, usually nobody even buys it because they have fake views as well. So again, there's some subscribers, some YouTubers, I'm sorry, and fake subscribers on YouTube which get paid just to subscribe. Also a lot of fake views. So the companies, like e-bike companies, they don't know which one is real, which one is fake, and the only thing they know is the YouTubers making videos which generate conversion sales for them. I don't really care if you buy this bike or any other bike, but I only recommend the good quality bicycles. If it's not something I like, I would tell you what I don't like about the bike. Like for example, this one, it's not perfect for someone who is very tall, but if you're under 6 feet, it should be perfect size for somebody even 5 feet tall. Also, I like Ride1up quality. All the bikes they make, I reviewed few and I ridden a couple, made out of great quality. So I'm almost there now. Yeah, I should charge the bike probably before I start to ride it today, because it's almost half battery. It's probably not gonna be best performance. I'm already close to the area, so I need to turn the GPS here. Let's see. All right. So now it looks good. GPS working, and I will have on the bottom of the video the GPS speed. So basically what I test over here, I'm going to do a few tests. One is throttle only, and one test will be with a pedal assist. See if I can pedal it. So I'm gonna go 2 rounds to show you actually if it can climb. So I'll stop here until 0 and use the throttle only to go. It doesn't, and I'll put pedal assist level 5, so it will be faster speed actually. And let's see if it can climb. Hopefully it can. I will be very glad to see if it can climb, because the bike is high quality, made for under $1,000, but it's going 5 miles an hour, 4 miles an hour, 3 miles an hour, and now it's like 2 miles an hour. And it's only made like quarter of the hill, as you can see. So basically, as I expected, I know already this hill, and I know that the motor on this bike very similar to Cafe Cruiser. Now I'm gonna go back, but the battery was not fully charged, so that's a little bit, maybe would give you a little bit more, basically it would give you a little bit more power if it was fully charged. For some reason I forgot to charge it completely. I rode on the bike already 14 miles and I never charged the battery. Yes, maybe even less. So okay, so I'm gonna go now, 0 to go, and I'm gonna go to gear number 1 to see if I can pedal it uphill. Basically, pedaling should be possible because it comes with a nice gear set. Oh yeah, gear number 2 now. So as long as you can pedal very light, actually just turn the pedals, because it comes with a very nice cassette with a lot of 8 gears on this bike. So definitely can climb probably any hill. Speed number, okay, it's about 7 miles an hour now. So again, if you buy this bike for hills and you don't mind to pedal, actually pedaling not bad at all. On gear number 2, so it might give you more power when you pedal it. Let's see how much peak power. Okay, it's 856 peak power, 750 watt motor, and it's going about 6 miles an hour. So you can pedal it uphill on gear number 2 pretty light, so no problem at all. So again, many people will tell me, why do you want throttle only? If you buy a bicycle, you won't pedal it. That's very true. But the reason I'm making this video, for some people who have health issue and sometimes they need more power to climb the hill, the steep hill like this. it's not just simple hill. I know a lot of 750 watt motors didn't make it here, so slim motors never made it here. That's why I'm saying this bike is amazing and it can climb the hill. Now we're gonna go downhill, and it was not fully charged. I might just test it right now, one more test, to see if I can ghost pedaling and to see if it will produce more power while I'm pedaling. And it can brake, feel like very nice without even squeaking. Wow. So downhill you have no problem to brake on this bike. Very nice. So I'm gonna do one more test, which I never really did before, to see if it will produce more. And the battery is like only 2 bar left, so it's about maybe 30%. I will need to check voltage, and I'm gonna do ghost pedaling, basically pedal 5 and ghost pedaling. I'm gonna not push the pedal hard, but I'm gonna turn the pedal, so basically maybe it will produce up. Right now it's like 970 peak power. I'm not pushing the pedals, I'm just turning it. Let's see. So I'm just turning it to see if it will produce more power so it can climb the hill. The motor's still working, but yeah, if I don't push the pedals, it's made about the same quarter of the hill, so basically it will not really produce more power, even if you because this bike can be as a class 1, 2, 3, so I try to use as class 3 with the pedal up to 28 miles an hour. So since it comes with cadence sensor, I just check to see if it produces more power, because with a pedal, when you do ghost pedaling on pedal assist level 5, it can go up to 5. On pedal assist level 5 can go up to 28 miles an hour, which is pretty quick for this small bike, foldable, but still cannot climb the hill. And that's all for today. So this bike cannot climb the hill based on the throttle only, but it can climb with the pedal assist when you're pushing the pedals a little bit. Thank you guys for watching, and if you want to see the compare video with a King Bull Light Rider, check link up or in description. Bye.